Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Wall Street. This is Fulton.
This is a Brooklyn-bound 4 train.
The next stop is Bowling Green. This is a Bowling Green.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 train. The next stop is Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Wall Street. The next and last stop is Bowling Green.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Bowling Green.
Transfer is available to the Staten Island Ferry.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Your safety is important to us. Thank you for riding the MTA New York City train.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.